Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. So I have a parcel here. It arrived yesterday and now we will unbox it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Checking the packaging, all goods. It's bubbled wrap and let's see. Ta-da, guys! So, we ordered a vacuum, guys. So this vacuum is from Derma, and this is the DX81C. Looks like this. Derma vacuum cleaner. So let's go. Let's open it. Upon opening, guys, you can see this. We have a foam with the nozzle. So we have two nozzles here, one flat and one brush. We have here. So this is the body, guys. Actually, it's black here and blue at the back. Here is the main vacuum. Parang ano lang parang yung mga baril lang ng mga anak ko. See guys. Pew, pew. Okay, so we have the on-off here. Let's see. Here, there's a button here. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. And, all we need to do, kung itatapon natin, is take this. This is the filter. Washable. And pour the dirt. O, diba? Simple as that, guys. Ganun lang yun kadali. Okay. Let's put it back. Push. Okay. Next, we have inside this the main nozzle, the flat. So ganito siya, guys. We have some rolls here, and the good thing is here, yan, diba? Rotable siya. And wala na ba? And that's it, guys. That was inside. So now let's connect everything. So this, let's connect it here, I think. Fit. Oh. Removable pala to, guys. Let me explain for what yan. Here's the main body. So the main body will be like this. O, diba? Connected na siya, guys. And from here, you just connect the brush to face to connect. Okay. And of course, ganito siya, guys. O, diba? It's very lightweight. And this, guys, here, it's lalagay dito. For what? It's for the wire. So here's the wire. So this, lalagay lang natin siya dito. Like so. And, para hindi magulo tignan yung wire. Ang haba ng wire niya, guys, we can just, although kasi, ano lang siya, guys. Pang ano, ganito lang. And then, We just twist it pag tapos na. Okay. I wanted to buy a wireless one pero feeling ko mas okay yung mas okay bilhin yung D-wire pa rin. And then you just put it inside like this para malak lang, diba? And then yeah, that's it guys. Now all we need to do, ayan, this nozzle here is rotatable. Ayan, pansin niyo po siya guys. And Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Sahur! So now guys, let's try it on. Ganito siya. And tignan natin kung malakas ba yung suction nito or what. Let's go! So I already plug it guys. Ayan, ang haba ng wire niya. And let's try here sa carpet. So the on-off is here. And let's see. Diba? And the good thing guys, pwede kang gano'n. Nasa ilalim. So let's turn it off. And let's see kung ano yung na-collect natin. So, where's the button na kanina? Here. Ayan. Here's the button sa ilalim. And, see guys, all the dirt that I collected. So, we have some hairs, some tissue, debris. And here guys, you can see, ayan, daming alikabok. And we can wash our filter too after 3 to 4 times of use. But dito nakasulat after 5 to 6 times and dry it before use. So yeah, let's continue. Ayan, mag-walking sana ako kasi yun naudlot kasi nga sumakit yung tiyan ko. And so, ayan, unboxing tayo now. Let's just vacuum first now. Okay, so balik lang natin guys. Ganito lang siya. And then, push. That's it. So now guys, if you're interested to buy one of these vacuum from Derma, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.
Na tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.